Have you ever bought fresh vegetables from a local market and found that you have not paid GST? Have you taken treatment from a government hospital and you have not paid GST? Have you paid tuition fees for a government approved educational institution? Your tuition fees is not including GST. So why this? Does that mean that these items are exempt from GST? No, these are covered under exempt supplies under GST. So let us understand what is exempt supplies under GST, its definition, and the features of exempt supplies under GST in this module with real life simple examples that you will never forget. So first, Section 2, subsection 47 of the IGST Act 2017 is defining the exempt supplies under GST. This includes three items. One is nil rated. Nil rated meaning certain products government has notified as zero rated GST. Best example is the common salt what we use. Second is if maida or atta sold in loose form. If it is in packet, then we have to pay GST. Second is fully exempt through government, supplies fully exempt through government notification. Three examples. One is tuition fees paid for government approved educational institutions, healthcare from a government hospital. Then local vegetables, fruits purchased from a local market. Third is non-taxable supplies. Three items are coming under non-taxable supplies: petrol, alcohol for human consumption, and electricity. Now let us see the features of exempt supplies under GST. First one is no GST is charged on these three items. That is, GST rate is 0%. Second is supplier cannot claim input tax credit. Third is customer's tax burden is reduced because GST we are not paying, so the value will be reduced. Fourth is we have the organizations, they have to keep the proper bill if they are dealing with taxable GST and non-taxable GST items. The best example is a private hospital where they are giving treatment for some exempt healthcare services. Plus in their premises, if they have commercial buildings to let out, so they have to keep the records properly. The reason is they have to keep the GST compliance. They have to keep proper documentation. They have to keep proper recording. So exempted supply under GST, they have to keep the records separately and they have to keep the records properly for whether they are paying the GST items. Then these are the important features of exempt supply under GST. So it's very important that we should understand the concept exempt supplies under GST for GST compliance.